Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm here with Mixed Media Guy.
Hey.
And we are going to do a fun pour today using the bottle bottoms. And this is the medium one. So if you buy the bottle bottoms from us, it comes in a set of 3, small, medium, large, basically. So this is the medium one, and we've got 14 by 14 inch canvases. And for that, we need about 13 ounces of paint. So we're gonna go ahead and start filling up our cups until we have that much. And we're using different colors. For once, I'm using purple and Johnny isn't.
I'm specifically not using purple just to see if I can do it and not be sad at the end.
Yeah, but I'm gonna use all my favorite colors here and try to see how this will look on a bigger canvas if I wanna do this on an even bigger one. So I'm using a bunch of blues basically in gold with a pop of the lime green, which goes beautifully with the blues. Really like offsets them beautifully.
Yeah.
We'll fill up our cups and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we've got our 2 cups here. You can see Johnny and I poured a little bit differently. So yeah. I poured slowly down the side. He poured right in the middle. So I anticipate his having quite a few cells as he pours, and I'm going for less cells.
Yes.
So we're gonna go ahead and center our bottle bottoms and slowly pour in the middle. The goal is to keep the paint in the middle. You don't have to, but it just works better for the pattern. So just pour slowly. It'll probably take a little while.
I can't promise slowly.
Well, you can do whatever you want because it's your painting.
I'll do my best.
And here we go. So we've poured all our paints out, and then we're gonna go ahead and just carefully lift up the bottle bottom and set it to the side. And then I'll just fill right in. Now depending on how you lift it up, you should have a perfect pattern, but sometimes I usually mess it up a little bit on the side. You did good on yours.
Oh, yay.
I like to let it fill in because that'll be better when you tilt it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
This is also a really good one to do on a Lazy Susan if you have that, or a spinner, because then the design really goes out just perfectly. So when you tilt it, you gotta be a little more careful. I like to tilt towards the corner and then back to the middle. towards the corner, back to the middle, and this maintains the design as much as possible. Just kind of tilt slowly. But you also don't have to. You can just tilt however you want.
Go crazy.
Go crazy.
Let's go crazy.
And you definitely do not have to have it centered. Guys, so 2 very different results here, but both awesome.
Right.
So I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit because I think Johnny's is gonna have some more cell action happening. And then I'll bring you all in for a close-up. All right, so here is mixed media, guys.
Oh yeah.
He used that chocolate magic in there. What colors did you use, Johnny?
Chocolate Magic, Fairy Dreams, which is a rose gold. I use Pacific Blue, Razzle Dazzle, Merlot, Turquoise, White, Inferno Orange. I think that was it.
Cool.
Yeah.
We'll make sure we list all of those down in the description. But you can see over here, definitely with that, all those metallics, there's quite a bit of cells in there. And then over here is mine. Actually very happy with this color combination.
Yeah, that worked out really nice.
Yeah.
I dig it.
So I used the white, the turquoise, the Pacific blue, the lime green or electric lime, the Pacific blue, the royal purple, gold, and some copper. That's everything. Really pretty. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Check down at the description for all the materials used. I'll list our colors. Also check out Johnny's channel. He's an amazing musician. We'll see you all next time.